everything. Rainy days, remind me of it, everything. Another day, another nigga day. Don't go listen to what you break, cause you might die, sir. Another day, another nigga day. Don't go listen to what you break, cause you might die, sir.
The money, the drugs, the rich gangs and dogs, the shootings and guns. Young niggas dying before they're chasing on a dream. Take a chill pill, I know it's harder than it seems. The hunger, the pain, I'm searching for change. I wanna live the life I'm fantasizing every day. The cars, the big household, holes in the building. Oh shit, they niggas fake, niggas competing. They looking like I think this that. Oh, this the nigga from the Wellers and you get it, boy. Never play me like a toy, and I'm easily annoyed. This the rumble in the jungle, in the mic I never mumble. Popping niggas like a bubble gum, boy. Poppers in my door asking me to who the shooter, and I got one answer, I don't know. I spend a lot of time on the mic, I'm the greatest right now. I just kill him with the flow.
Rainy days, remind me of it, everything. Rainy days, remind me of it, everything. Another day, another nigga day. Don't go listen to what you play, cause you might die, sir. Another day, another nigga day. Don't go listen to what you play, cause you might die, sir. Don't go listen.
Whoa.
That's my whole rap.
Whole rap, nigga.
Don't go listen.
Yo.
Hit a dance, hit a dance.
Ngwelezan, yo, Ngwelezan, yo, Ngwelezan, yo, Ngwelezan, yo, Ngwelezan, bro.
Ngwelezan, hey, Ngwelezan.
Yo, guys.
Happy Sunday to everyone. Happy Sunday. This is Chance.
Yo, this your guy, Military, guys.
And together we are Black
Remedy, guys. Black Remedy.
First of all, I would like to say we thank God we're safe from COVID, but we're not safe at all. Stay home, be safe. And also about this gender-based violence, guys.
You gotta be like nice to the ladies, guys. You gotta be like gentle. You gotta be a gentleman.
Okay, by the way, I would like to shout out to the Mandeni lockdown party. Decision is hella lit. Shout out to Trey and shout out to the guys in the sound and stuff.
Shout out to Lockdown House Party. And we're going to be doing the second performance. Securing the bag, guys, for y'all.
Secure. We're gonna secure the bag. Yeah.
She shaking that ass cause she know I'm the best. Them niggas I make all this shawty with me and she never compete with the rest. Schooling them niggas, I give them a test. If they keep on failing, I tell them to out of my section, I need me a check. Nigga, ain't nobody holding me back. I got my niggas secure in the back. Got me some foes and I'm watching my back. Don't step on my shoe, better watch your step, nigga.
Breaking the jaws with my niggas. Still loyal to them, so me never matter. I'm the man on my way to the man of the hoes. Rich, crack, bitches, if family matters. I got the question, the boy really matters. Oh, I think I'm too terrible. Wait for December, I wanna do better. Wait, dog, know your place. Dog and they can't now they team to be friends. Up on the session, I'm doing a dance. Left to my right, pretty girl, Shemané. 6 days, it drugs overloaded. The Mary Jane picture me rolling like Snoop and Khalifa. Dog green on my God in a harvest the whole. Fuck all those questions like since are you ready for this? I do this for me. The feeling the heat, the summer is here. Shiny be the apple on my eye, but the nigga never bite. So some girl is on it, if you want it, come and get it.
She shaking that ass cause she know I'm the best. Them niggas I make all this shawty with me and she never compete with the rest. Schooling them niggas, I give them a test. If they keep on failing, I tell them to tank. Out of my section, I need me a check. Nigga, ain't nobody holding me back. I got my niggas secure in the back. Got me some foes and I'm watching my back. Don't step on my shoe, better watch your step, nigga. Nips pussy hustle with the shit. Elevating, I'm a boss on you niggas, yeah. Navigating so I never get lost in the Milky Way, oh my god, yeah. All of the niggas who came to be the best, I see them all while I'm hanging in my spot. Hold up, wait nigga, we came from the bottom, yeah. Straight to the top like a rocket, yeah. I had your track and it's boring. I'm in the field and I'm calling like Jordan, yeah. 420 in the morning, yeah. Roll a big blanket smoking, they underrate me like the baby drive. Now I'm breathing fire, let the bridges burn. X-Men, never be a yes man. Niggas know that I am an expert. Police, they thinking I'm a suspect. Between me and these niggas, lot of difference. That's why I've been keeping my distance. Goddamn shit, big fan. Shaking that ass cause she know I'm the best. Them niggas are mad, call it shawty with me and she never compete with the rest. Never compete with the rest. Schooling them niggas, I give them a test. If they keep on failing, I tell them protect. Out of my section, I need me a check. Nigga, ain't nobody holding me back. I got my niggas secure in the back. Got me some foes and I'm watching my back. Don't step on my shoe, better watch your step, nigga. Hey, yo.
House party.